exponential.
Let's lock in the visual.
Straight line dropping, YMX, so keep it direct. Parabola curving, yeah, X to Q, turning on the axis, perfect.
Okay.
Hyperbola splitting, approaching the lines, but they never connect.
Hey, bo.
X is 0 and Y is O, those are some toaster man respect.
Respect.
Exponential rising, starting at the base. Check the Q value, it shifts the whole space.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, reads the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Now look at the graph, they're hiding the equation.
Bamba.
Don't panic, my learner, just find a coordinate station.
Show.
Take a clear point, grab the X, Y, substitute it in, let the algebra fly. Solve for the A, or solve for the Q. Finding the missing letter is all you gotta do. Plug it back in, make the formula true. Look at the curve, where does it turn? Look at the shift, what did we learn? If it cuts the axis, let X be a 0. If it cuts the X-axis, let's be the hero.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, reads the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Straight line, parabola, hyperbola, exponential, left to right, bottom to top, lock it in sharp.
Welcome to the daily dose of mathematics.
Yes, daily dose, sponsored by Fundaflow.
We're back, we are live. We are going to be doing functions grade 10 as we prepare Luandle for Friday test. He said he's writing the term 3 test for Friday. You can just check if it's available as he entered the building. He's still coming.
Still coming, still on his way.
Still on his way, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to take this opportunity to show you some of the new features that we have on Fundaflow. Guys, use this Fundaflow. It's going to help you a lot. So it is going to show you how we sign up now. It's a little bit better than before.
Okay, yes, Elena.
Yeah,
I should start as Elena.
Yeah, let's just show them how to sign up as Elena. We're not going to be necessarily sign up.
As Elena, okay.
Yeah.
You're gonna go to don't have an account.
Yeah.
And then the first thing this thing is gonna ask you is the full name. So then you have to insert your name, assuming or you are Tawashinyana or you are Tumelan Rahoto, that's my name. You're gonna enter your name, and then it's a rule. I am A. You're gonna choose. Since you are Elena, you're gonna choose Elena thing. Depending on which one are you on this one. Are you at school or are you not at school?
Okay.
So then if you just assume I'm in school.
Yeah.
And you can just insert every school that you like in there. Oh, not every school that you like, the school that you are at.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you're gonna say, assuming you say Tlalagatle. And then Tlalagatle appears, you're gonna pick it. And then if your school is not there, you can just click this thing here and then say school is not there, enter your school. I'm gonna press Lepelle for example.
Yeah.
Lepelle Secondary School. One of the familiar names that I know from Seven Start.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna insert your name. Oh, your WhatsApp number. You're gonna set your WhatsApp number, then it's your email, password, confirm password. Remember, you guys, you really do need your email because this thing you're gonna confirm your account using that email thing right then.
Yeah, so you don't just use any email that doesn't work.
Yeah.
You have to confirm it.
After that, you can agree to the terms and conditions, then sign up.
Oh, you need to read the terms and conditions. Don't just agree.
We are South Africans, you already used to agree.
How about you just agree?
We just agree, we are not doing
You remember Jigs?
Yeah, Jigs, Jigs told me a lesson. That's why I'm reading terms and conditions currently. But then we are South Africans, we don't do that. Jigs was in America.
Alright. Keep on doing that.
Okay, so then we're gonna start. We start at the teacher's dashboard or do we go to the learner's dashboard?
Let's just show them what do we have on the learner dashboard. What are some of the new features that we have there?
Because the first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna choose a grade. Gonna pick up grade 12, grade 10, since you're doing the grade 10 live. Gonna go to grade 10.
Okay, this feature was not there before, guys. We included it because people were saying, what if I want to revise? I'm in grade 10, but I want to revise grade 9 work.
Yep.
So now it allows you to do that.
Okay, so then you're gonna choose a grade 10, then you're gonna go with subject. Always on a daily dose of mathematics, we go with maths. And then I had Mr. saying he wants to add physics. So
Yeah, you can add physics. Now let's do physics. Let's just show them using physics.
Oh, you can just use physics, but then I'm trying my credits. Let me just use physics. Mr. sponsoring me on this one.
Okay, yeah, so it's physics.
Okay, so then you guys on Eastern Help, you seem to notice something that is not familiar with you guys.
Yeah.
It's what we call a misconception addressing. Based on a misconception addressing, every work that is submitted by the teacher, then you submit it. Let's assume you get less than 50%. Is it less than 50%?
Yeah, it's less than 50%.
You get less than 50%. This thing is going to generate you a misconception address, teaching you on how to master however you're wrong today.
No. Basically, it's going to be addressing your misconceptions. Let's say you submit, even if you are practicing practice work, if you take your practice work, anything that is uploaded as an image, and then when it's uploaded as an image and then we are marked by the AI, after the AI marks you, if you get less than 50%, it's going to send you that message. It's always going to be there until you address it. And then the same thing, if you link your parent is going to see that, hey, this person has a misconception here. If your teacher is linked, your teacher is going to see that this is how we can assist it,
Okay.
Basically, that's how it works, yeah.
Basically, when you can look at this one here, I'm already charged by finance.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened that I don't know how to differentiate between a simple interest and a compound interest.
Yeah.
What happened to me? Okay, so then this is the misconceptions that I came across. Then after that, I'm gonna write my misconceptions, submit them. After submit them, it's gonna grade me.
Yeah, it's going to work exactly like everything else.
Then what we call the fun part in this one.
Yeah.
We realized that learners like having fun at school.
Yeah.
So then there's this part that we added of quiz and then challenging the others.
Yeah.
You can challenge your friends, you can challenge your homemates, your schoolmates, classmates. You can challenge anyone that you want to challenge. Barking. It chooses magnetics.
Oh, you chose it. Okay.
Yeah, it was like sort of like a wheel turning. It was like sort of a wheel turning.
Okay.
So
Magnetism. You chose magnetism.
Magnetism. I don't know the two things. But then I believe my grandma when it comes to this one. Yeah, right.
North Pole, South Pole.
Yeah, North Pole. I will North Pole, I will South Pole. Yeah, this one I have a feeling it's gonna charm me big time. Big time. This one is gonna charm me. So can I submit it? Are you gonna help me? Or will I be?
Let's check if Luanja is in the building. Once he's here, we can start with the maths. We don't have to submit that one necessarily.
Okay, can you very okay. Let's check our land. Oh, we can just do maths because now I already know.
Magnetism. Yeah, we can do the magnetism. We can chill. Yeah. What's up? What's happening? What's the first question? Let me show my skills.
Hey, okay, yeah. It was still generating. It's still generating this thing and the thing. So while it's generating, let me check follow and then we can dance a little bit.
Okay.
Should we dance?
Yeah, we can dance.
Let me play the song.
Welcome to the daily dose of mathematics. Grade 10 functions are on the board today. 4 shapes, 4 rules, we don't guess, we play. Straight line, parabola, exponential.
Let's lock in the visual.
Straight line dropping, YMX, so keep it direct. Parabola curving, yeah, X to Q. Turning on the axis, perfect. Hyperbola splitting, approaching the lines, but they never connect. X is 0 and Y is O, those are some toast to man, respect. Exponential rising, starting at the base. Check the Q value, it shifts the whole space.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, reads the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Now look at the graph, they're hiding the equation. Don't panic, my learner, just find a coordinate station. Take a clear point, grab the X, Y, substitute it in,
Still not done.
let the algebra fly. Solve for the A or solve for the Q.
Okay, why?
Finding the missing letter is all you gotta do.
Netizen.
Plug it back in, make the formula true. Look at the curve, where does it turn?
And then
Look at the
go to
shift,
share
what
it
did we
on
learn?
YouTube and TikTok. If you want
If
to
it
try
cuts the
use that
axis,
already.
let
Let
X
us
be a
let it
zero.
zero.
If
I
it
have
cuts
a
the
feeling
x-axis, let's be the hero.
By which control more for
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, reach the input.
Yeah,
Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Straight line, parabola, hyperbola, exponential, left to right, bottom to
Just
top,
share it on,
lock it in sharp.
on our socials. If they want to take
Welcome
it, maybe
to
they
the
can
daily
they can
dose
beat
of
you.
math.
They can get 0.0,
that is better than zero. That is bad. So yeah, I'm gonna just share it on our comments. You guys can fetch it them, can access it them.
Okay, now we're going to go straight to mathematics functions.
Yeah, that is where we are dealing mathematics, the daily dose of mathematics.
So we have 4 functions that we're doing in paper 1. Yeah? And then we also have 1 function that we're doing in paper 2, yeah? which is trigonometric function. It's not to say it's 1 function per se. So we have the sine, the cos, the tan, the one. So, but today we're going to be focusing on functions of paper 1. Yeah?
Okay.
Now, what are some of the functions that you remember it while you are still at school, while you are still working the roads of schools?
Grade 10.
Nah, no, just at school. Like, which functions do you still remember?
I remember a lot. About cubic, about parabola, about exponential. I'm gonna chart them those ones.
Okay. So let's start with the ones that you remember from grade 10, from lower grades.
Exponential.
Remember, there's an exponential function. We have something called an exponential.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I want us to start. We have an exponential function. Yeah. Which other function do you remember? We can also ask chat. Which other function do you remember? We have exponential.
Now only remember exponential.
Exponential, yeah. Which other one?
That's the only one that I remember. I'm not gonna lie.
Anyone in other function that we remember?
Let's check one if he said something. But then I hope parabola in it.
Yeah, it's a parabolic function.
Parabolic function is also there. Damn, I
Yeah,
told it.
parabola.
Unexpectedly.
Okay. Number 3, any other function that you remember from paper 1? Chat. We have 2 already.
Okay, they gave him bargain. They gave him mark allocations for the formal test.
Okay.
Exponential plus hyperbola. I just told it.
Oh, it's hyperbolic.
I just told it name hyperbolic function. Yeah, there's a hyperbolic function and then exponential. What I will be writing about hyperbola and exponential.
He's going to be writing about hyperbolic and exponential.
Yep.
That's what he said.
Yep.
Okay. Number 4, we also have this other one, which it's low key, but it chows people with this one.
Which one is that one?
We've been doing it from earlier grade. This one, it starts from grade 7.
Oh, straight line.
Yeah.
I know that one. I know it. Straight line.
Okay. Now we need to define these functions. Yeah? Let's start with the straight line. Which, how do you see with something as a straight line? Yeah? Because this one is going to be very important. How do you see something as a straight line? Straight line is defined by the following equation: y is equal to mx plus c.
Y is equal to mx
Plus
C.
c. Yeah. Now we can define what do these variables represent. Y and x, it's simply input and output. We don't have to talk about those.
Yep.
But there are variables that we don't know, like m and c. So we can talk about those. So m is a gradient. No?
It's a gradient.
Yeah, m is a gradient. The same gradient that you get on analytical geometry is the same one. Yeah?
I damn, my handwriting is very bad today.
It's not.
I don't know why.
Can you write
Yeah, it's
it,
not-
install?
Yeah, I did install
Okay.
gradient.
Okay. Yeah. And then we have c. No.
Yeah, see?
Or q. We can either use it as c or we can use it as q. Yeah? So if you don't want to use it as c, you can call it q. So you can say y is equaling to mx plus q.
What is Q?
Q is going to be our y-intercept.
Y intercept.
Yeah, it's a y intercept.
ETCP or
Yeah.
ETPC.
Yeah.
Intercept or
Intercept.
ETCP.
Inter. So you can say it's y inter, so that we are doing it. We're not in English. And
Yep.
if they want English, they can check there.
On Fundaflow.
Yeah, there's English there. They can be assessed on English. Okay, so we have y intercept SQ. No? Now I'm going to couple this one. I'm sure when one says he wants us to do hyperbolic and exponential.
Yep.
It's fine. But we're going to group those things like that. The next one that we have is parabolic function. Yeah? Parabolic function is defined as y is equal to a
x squared.
x squared plus q. What?
Ax squared plus q.
Yeah.
It's a parabol.
Yeah. Ax squared plus q. So you can see both of them, they have q. Actually. They have something in common. Q and q. The q of the straight line and the q of the parabolic function, they represent exactly the same thing. Both of them, they are y-intercepts. It's fine, that one.
Yeah.
Now the difference is that you can see that one. The other one we used m. On the other one we used a. So they're not the same.
Okay.
With the a part here, it tells us the shape of the function, which is it going to be smiling or sad. So if it's a parabolic function, we can either have an a which is positive.
Shape. Okay, and A is positive.
Yeah. If a is positive,
If A
is positive, it smiles.
smile.
Yeah. And then if a is negative, negate.
A is neg.
Yeah.
If A is negative,
Yeah.
it's sad.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're good. No?
Yeah, we are good.
Now, we are shifting to the two new functions that Wendy is talking about. Yeah? These ones, they behave a little bit differently because they have something that we call asymptote. Yeah? Asymptote is something that it's like let me explain it this way. It's something that you wish on. You can approach it, but you can never touch it.
You can never touch it, just like what now?
Yeah, asymptote.
Asymptote.
Yes. It's
What's the
like,
thing that I'm wishing for, but then I can't touch it?
yeah, you can't find it. You can
Millions.
You can, yeah.
Millions.
Yeah. You can approach it. When you're just about to touch the million, then it simply disappears.
Okay. Yeah.
Still good.
Yeah, I'm still good.
Your pen was giving you a problem.
Not the pen per se. The thing. My zero there. Mutushu. My smart notebook.
Is the one that is a problem.
Yeah, that one is giving me challenges right now.
Okay.
We see my money. It doesn't want me to talk about millions this day.
It doesn't want you to talk about millions.
Millions, yeah.
So next one, let's define an exponential. How do you say an exponential? An exponential is defined by y.
Yeah.
Is equaling to.
Exponential is defined by y.
Equals
equal to
yeah, a multiplied by b to the power
to the power x
of x
plus q.
plus q. Yeah, it's fine. Now let's define all these things. What do they represent? Okay, a just like the just like the parabolic function tells us the shape. Which this graph is either going to come from the top and approach the asymptote from the top, or it's going to approach the asymptote from the bottom. That's what it tells us. And then the other thing that we have is the q value.
Yeah.
Q for the first time. Before we said it was a y-intercept. You remember that? Q, when it comes to an exponential, it doesn't represent an x-intercept or y-intercept. It represents something called asymptote.
Asymptote.
Yeah, asymptote. It's something that we're going to be approaching.
Asymptote.
Yeah.
For some of you who don't know what an asymptote is that vertical line that is dotted or horizontal line. It's dot.
Yeah, it can be vertical, it can be horizontal. For this particular one, it's going to be a horizontal line.
Okay, asymptote on this one is going to be.
Yeah, it's the one that is telling us about y. But y is equal to, remember, horizontal line tells you about y.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's just define the last one. We have the hyperbolic function. It's defined as y is equal to a all over.
Y is equal to a all over x plus p.
Q.
Is it in it plus p?
Plus q.
Oh, plus
It's
q.
a all over. It's a all over x.
Yeah.
And then it's plus q.
A all over x plus q.
Yeah. Now Q again, it represents the horizontal asymptote, like it's exactly the same.
Isn't it there's P plus P?
But plus P, it's not for grade 10.
It's not for grade 10?
Yeah, plus P is grade 11. We're not shifting verticality, we're just shifting horizontal.
Outside grade 10, in a reality function, grade 11 as well. I'm already rushing you guys.
Yeah, because remember, when
Yeah.
you look at that one of, yes, when you look at that one of parabolic function, parabolic function, we're also, like you saw, it doesn't have an ax squared plus bx or what plus c. It's because we're simply focusing on shifting it up and down. That's what we're doing. We're shifting the graphs up and down, up and down. That's all that we can do, basically.
Okay.
Yes. I just realized I like saying basically.
Basically.
Imagine.
Uncle basically.
Imagine.
It's Uncle basically.
Imagine. Okay, got it. So we have these functions defined. What I like to do is then give learners any function so that they can define to me what kind of a function it is, because what is very important is that a learner needs to be able to spot a function by just looking at it, to say, okay, this one is a straight line, this one is a parabolic function.
Yeah.
So we're going to play that game with them now to say, let's say we have y, yeah,
If y
is equal to 2x
2x
all over 3
all over 3
plus
plus
4. And then I will ask chat, what kind of a function is this one?
Chat,
Then I'm going to be dancing while I wait for that.
Chat, you can do this. I believe in you, chat. Show Mr. what you're capable of.
Mathematics. Grade 10 functions are on the board today. 4 shapes, 4 rules, we don't guess, we play. Straight line, parabola, exponential.
Let's lock in the visual.
Straight line dropping, YMX, so keep it direct. Parabola curving, yeah, X to Q, turning on the axis, perfect. Hyperbola splitting, approaching the lines, but they never connect. X is 0 and Y is O, those asymptotes demand respect. Exponential rising, starting at the base. Check the Q value, it shifts the whole space.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, reads the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Now look at the graph, they're hiding the equation.
Y is equal to
Don't panic, my learner, just find a coordinate station.
y is equal to
Take a clear point, grab the X, Y, substitute it in, let the algebra fly. Solve for the A, or solve for the Q. Finding the missing letter is all you gotta do. Plug it back in, make the formula true. Look at the curve, where does it turn? Look at the shift, what did we learn? If it cuts the axis, let X be a 0. If it cuts the x-axis, let's be the hero.
like on the denominator, what do we have? Like,
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site.
I wrote it here.
Domain is the X, walking left to the right.
X all
Left
over
to the right.
plus,
Range is the
plus,
Y,
plus,
reads the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Straight line, parabola, hyperbola, exponential, left to right, bottom to top, lock it in sharp.
Keep.
Okay, basically, like what I intended before it gave you the wrong one. It was y is equal to 2, no? X all over 3, no?
Okay.
And then plus, not on the denominator, plus
Plus.
is 4.
Okay.
So when I, like in the denominator, you had 3 plus 4.
Yeah, 3 plus 4.
But I could still add them, it's fine. They could still answer that question.
Yeah, that one, it was answerable. Like the answer
Yes,
was,
but-
it was like, okay, the
It was-
function, this one that you gave us at last, this one.
It's a function as well.
Like it was the function that you gave us at last, the one that you said Cretans are doing.
Which
I
one?
wanted to add, and then you said no, like Cretans are not doing that. The one, yeah.
No, but actually it doesn't have the X on the denominator. Does it have the X on the denominator?
No.
Yes. Where's the X?
But then it's still barking, still a something.
Where's the X?
The X is at the top.
Is at the top. Yes. So it's not on the denominator. What kind of a function is this one?
The function.
Yes.
Are you asking me?
No, I'm asking Chat. Chat.
I think you're asking me. Chat is not saying anything.
Okay, what do you think? What kind of a function is this one?
This one, the one that I wrote, or the one that you gave
No,
me?
the one that I just gave you now. This
The one that you just gave me. This one is a straight line.
It's a straight line.
Yeah.
How do we see with something it's a straight line?
MX
What are
plus
the
C.
properties of a straight line?
MX plus C.
Yeah.
MX plus C.
Yeah. The X variable needs to be to the power of 1.
Yeah.
And the X should be on the numerator. Very important. Very key. X should be on the numerator, and then it should have a power of y. You get it? Mr.
Yeah.
Let's try this one then. Y, y.
Why? Yeah.
Right? What I'm writing it. Y
Yes.
is
Okay.
equaling to
Is equivalent to
this 4
4
all over
all over
x.
X.
Then I'm done with the fraction. That's
Yeah.
the first part. Plus 2. Let's dance. Let's hear Chat. With what kind of a function is this one?
Plus 2.
Yeah.
The function, this one. Okay. I've already knew what it is.
You already know what it is.
What it is after dancing.
Welcome to the daily dose of mathematics. Grade 10 functions are on the board today. 4 shapes, 4 rules, we don't guess, we play. Straight line, parabola, exponential.
Let's lock in the visual.
Straight line dropping, YMX, so keep it direct. Parabola curving, yeah, X to Q. Turning on the axis, Y is O, those are some toast to man, respect. Exponential rising, starting at the base. Check the Q value, it shifts the whole space.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the
What
site.
kind of a function, guys,
Domain
is
is
this
the
one?
X, walking left to the right.
Can you see?
Left to the right. Range is the Y, reach the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Now look at the graph, they're hiding the
What
equation.
kind of a function is this?
Don't panic, my learner, just find a coordinate station. Take a clear point, grab the X, Y, substitute it in, let the algebra fly. Solve for the A,
Yeah, that's good.
or solve for the Q.
Chat.
Finding the missing letter is all you gotta do. Plug it back in, make the formula true. Look at the curve, where does it turn? Look at the shift, what did we learn? If it cuts the axis, let X be a 0. If it cuts the X-axis, let's be the hero.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, reach the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Straight line, parabola.
The church should have presented itself before it presented. This one I'm scared of saying. Which one is this one? Say?
I'm asking you.
Yeah, the one you created.
No, I'm asking you.
Which one is this one?
I'm asking you.
Well, hey,
What kind of a function is this one? Where's the X? That's
X
the question
is
that we need to ask
in the
ourselves. Is it on the numerator, on the denominator?
denominator.
It's on the
means
denominator.
Deno.
Now, there's only one person who has a variable in the denominator in our functions. There's only one person. The person is called who? Let's give you the mic so that we can hear you.
I thought you were gonna say who's the person.
Who's the person?
The way you said it, I was like doing the drums.
Who's the person? Yes. Who's the person?
I did you the drum rolls. I thought you were answering.
It's hyperbolic function.
Hyperbolic function.
So now we can go to our quiz. We're going to do a short test, no?
Yeah.
Out of 10 for functions. 10, it's fine.
Is it a quiz or a quiz or a test?
Let's do a test on the
multiple
teacher.
choice?
Let the teacher send. Let go in my profile and then just set a test of functions.
Okay, as a teacher,
Oh, why don't we make it a little bit interesting? We create the quiz in you, and then we do it as fast as we can, and then we challenge them.
we challenge them to do it.
Yeah, we challenge them to. I'm not gonna do it.
They can copy that one.
Okay, to do it, go to my profile. Create that short test of functions.
Functions, short test of
Yeah,
functions.
grade 10. Don't forget it's grade 10.
I'm having a problem when it comes to the mic. It doesn't want to swipe down.
It doesn't want to.
Swipe down.
The mouse.
Yeah,
Is it back now?
I'm roping it.
Okay.
It's a roping thing. It's the daily dose.
We can dance while we are creating the task that we're going to be doing. We're going to try to run it as fast as we can, guys.
Hyperbola, exponential, left to right, bottom to top, lock it in sharp.
Okay.
Yeah, you can dance while we create it.
Welcome to the daily dose of mathematics.
We're not cheating, you guys.
Grade 10 functions are on the board today. 4 shapes, 4 rules, we don't guess, we play. Straight line, parabola, exponential. Straight line dropping, YMX, so keep it direct. Parabola curving, yeah, X to Q, turning on the axis, perfect. Hyperbola splitting, approaching the lines, but they never connect. X is 0 and Y is O, those are some toast to man respect. Exponential rising, starting at the base. Check the Q value, it shifts the whole space.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, read the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Now look at the graph, they're hiding the equation. Don't panic, my learner, just find the coordinate station. Take a clear point, grab the X, Y, substitute it in, let the algebra fly. Solve for the A, or solve for the Q. Finding the missing letter is all you gotta do. Plug it back
Any questions on
in,
chat so far?
make the formula true.
Quiet.
Look at the curve, where does it turn?
Guys, please say something there.
Look at the shift, what did we learn?
Everything's still fine.
Somebody.
Don't just be
If it
quiet.
cuts the axis, let X be a 0. If it cuts the X axis, let's be the hero.
Yeah, we're going 66.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, read the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Straight line, parabola, hyperbola, exponential, left to right, bottom to top, lock it in sharp.
So I can publish task.
I think. Let me check.
Do I have a class, man? I already have a time.
Yeah, let me-
Welcome to the daily dose of mathematics. Grade 10 functions are on the board today. 4 shapes, 4 rules, we don't guess, we play. Straight line, parabola, exponential. Straight line dropping, YMX, so keep it direct. Parabola curving, yeah, X to Q, turning on the axis, perfect.
publish it.
Hyperbola splitting, approaching the lines, but they never connect. X is 0 and Y is O, those are some toast to man respect. Exponential rising, starting at the base. Check the Q value, it shifts the whole space.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, read the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Now look at the graph, they're hiding the equation. Don't panic, my learner, just find the coordinate station. Solve for the A, or solve for the Q. Finding the missing letter is all you gotta do. Look at the shift, what did we learn? If it cuts the axis,
So let's take
let
it.
X
Let's
be
start
a zero.
fast.
If it cuts the X-axis, let's be the hero.
Time.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, reach the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Straight line, parabola, hyperbola, exponential, left to right, bottom to top, lock it in sharp.
Sharp. Okay, guys, here are some words that you need to remember for today. If you are going to be talking about functions, we need to know something called a domain. A domain is defined as all the input values, or all the possible values of X. That's our domain.
Okay.
Now, we have domain and then we have range. Now, range, it has something that has to do with all the possible Y values, or the output values, what you get. After you put in something, there's something that you need to get.
Yeah.
Then we call that one the range. Now, for us to remember this is what we usually say. We say X, and then we say Y. And then we say D goes with R. Domain goes with X. Because which one comes first between X and Y?
It's X.
It's X. Which one comes first between D and R?
Which one comes out between D and R?
Yeah,
it's D.
It's D. Yeah, so the D is going to go with the X, the R is going to go with the Y, with the Y. So you are guaranteed you're going to get a question that is going to be asking you about domain and the range. So that one we need to make sure we understand it. Are you ready?
Yep.
What is the first question you do?
This time I did a mistake. I didn't create a quiz.
You created a test.
Yeah.
Okay.
It says given a hyperbolic function of f of x is equivalent to 6 all over x minus 3.
Okay, let's try that one.
This is what we are talking about in terms.
So we're given an exponential function. What a hyperbolic function?
Yeah, I said a hyperbolic function.
You're given as
It's given as 6 all over x.
y is equivalent to
6 all over x
6 all over x, yeah,
minus 3.
minus 3. Okay, sure.
Yeah, then the first question states.
Are there any conditions here? Did they give us any condition, or they just
They
gave us?
just gave you the function.
Okay, yeah.
Write down the equation of the two asymptotes of f.
Yeah. So when it comes to a hyperbolic function, it has two asymptotes. Now, what are asymptotes? Asymptote is what's going to make this function to be undefined.
Okay.
Now, what is the first thing that is going to make this thing to be undefined? You see here on the x.
Yeah.
If I come and put 0 here where I see x, this thing here is going to be what to be undefined. So we're going to tell them which x is going to be equivalent to 0. That's the first asymptote.
X is equivalent to 0.
Yeah, it's an equation of a straight line. Can you see the way I wrote it? I didn't say 0. I said x is equivalent to, it's an equation.
Okay, yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, next, we're going to talk about y. Now, y is whatever the value of q is and its sign. Remember, we said this thing can be defined as y is equivalent to a all over x plus q. Still remember that? So you check the q. Whatever q value is and its sign, then that's going to be your asymptote.
A all over x plus q.
So now if you compare this one, which one seems to be q here?
It's minus 3.
It's minus 3. Now, but when you write it on your as an asymptote, you don't say q is equivalent to minus 3. When you say y is equivalent to equation of a straight line.
Y is equivalent to?
Yeah, y is going to be y.
It's minus 3.
It's minus 3. Is it that clear? Chat? It's fine.
Yep.
Maybe we can do the hyperbola, and then we can try to do a quiz of a hyperbola. And then tomorrow, because we still have, tomorrow is Wednesday.
Yeah.
Let's writing on Friday.
Yeah, so
So we can
Friday.
do exponents tomorrow.
Exponential, yeah.
Yeah, my trick me time, yeah. Okay. So let's go to the next question, Itu.
The next question states we should calculate the coordinates of the x-intercept of f.
Okay. Now this one we need a Cartesian plane. Let's talk about the Cartesian plane. Just a rough sketch so that we remind learners on a Cartesian plane. We have x and we have y. Yeah.
Cartesian plane. That means I need to do my rough sketch of Cartesian plane.
Yeah, you can just do a rough sketch. And I not drawn to scale. You don't have to draw to scale.
Okay, here's my Cartesian plane. Yep.
Sure. Okay. So on our Cartesian plane, we have the y-axis. Huh? We have the x-axis. Do you see the tension? Now, on our y-axis, this is what learners should remember. On the y-axis, x is equivalent to 0.
On the
On the y-axis, x is equivalent to 0.
x is equivalent to 0.
Y-intercept, x is equivalent to 0. On the x-axis, which is the horizontal line,
Y is equivalent to 0.
yeah, it doesn't tell you about x, but it tells you about what? About y. It defines y. Y is going to be equivalent to what? To 0. So what are we looking for, Tina? Are we looking for the x-intercept or the y-intercept?
We're looking for the x-intercept.
X-intercept. Kind of what did we say about x-intercept?
Y is equivalent to 0.
Yeah, so everywhere we see y, we're going to take our equation. Let's write the equation again. It's y
Y is equivalent to
is equivalent to
6 all over x
6 all over x
minus 3.
minus 3. Okay, sure. X-intercept, we just spoke about it. So we're going to say x-int, because your cinema mark is going to kill you there. You need to write it correct.
X int
So x-int is going to be equivalent to
y is equivalent to 0.
y is equivalent to 0. Sure. Now, on the equation, where do we see y? You see where you see y? You can just highlight that detail so that it becomes clear.
Okay.
Now, when do you do this? Now, you only do it when you're looking for the x-intercept. What is the x-intercept? It's a gate whereby your graph is going to be passing through. This is the gate that we're going to be opening. On our x-axis, we're going to open the gate so that the graph can pass whatever graph that we're going to be drawing.
Okay.
It's fine. Okay, so we put 0 where we see y. 0 is equivalent to 6 all over x.
0 is equivalent to 6 all over x. I want to calling me this time.
Plus
0 is equivalent to 6 all over x minus 3.
minus 3, okay? Now, what we're going to try to do now is to say, what is the best thing that we can do here? We want to make x the subject. What can we do?
We can transpose 3 to the other side.
We can try to take the negative 3 to the other side. It becomes what?
3 is equivalent to
3 is equivalent to
6 all over x.
6. What do we do with this x?
Cross multiplication.
We cross multiply.
Then I have 3x
3x
is equivalent to 6.
equivalent to 6. Okay, by the way, we cross multiply this way. You should remind them with this. There was 1 multiplied by 6, which gave us 6. Yeah. So if 3x is equivalent to 6,
Yeah.
we're looking for x 10. What is x?
Can divide by 3 both sides.
Divide by 3, divide by 3. X is equivalent to
2.
calculate is working.
The calculate this function.
Okay. Now, they said we should write down the coordinates, or what did they say? They just say calculate the x-intercept.
They said you should, let me see, you should calculate the coordinates of the x-intercept.
Yeah, coordinates. Now we're going to write it. We're going to say x is 2. No?
Okay.
When x is 2,
X is 2.
what is our y?
Our y is 0.
Our y is equal to 0.
So then we have
So
2
when
is
x
to
is
0.
2, yeah, we have 2 is to 0. Sure. Any questions so far?
No question on the chat up to so far.
Okay. Next.
Gonna move to the second question.
Yeah.
States, write down the range of f.
Write down the range. We spoke about this, Alicia. We say we have D, we have R.
Yeah.
Alicia. And then we have X, we have Y. Kind of range is which one? Is it the Y or the X?
Which one?
The range, is it the Y or the X? What does it go to the range?
Range is y.
It's Y. Ne? So it means we are looking for possible values of Y. Ne? Now, if this graph was drawn, it was going to be easy for us to show them, okay, this graph is possible, but it's not only possible for this one. Now, most of the time, if you don't know, let's say you are stressed, you are inside an exam, right? You want to write this thing of domain and range. Your default value should be this one first. Kids, actually, we're talking about range.
Yeah.
Range is going to be y is an element. When you see that inyana, y is an element of all the real numbers.
Y is an element of all real numbers.
real numbers. And then in this case, we're going to tell them which y cannot be whatever the value of q is.
Okay. So the value of q is -3.
Is -3. Yeah, so we're going to tell them which y is going to be everywhere, but y cannot be -3
Because the asymptote.
because of the asymptote. Remember, asymptote, we can never touch it. If we've given the opportunity to draw this graph, we'll try to show them how do they get it,
Yep.
so that they don't have to cram it.
Okay, so then we have the next question.
Yeah.
The next question states, or you should, says the diagram, says the diagram below, but then there's no diagram.
Okay, write the diagram for us.
Let me check. Yeah, I think there's a diagram. Yeah, says the diagram below represent the graph of an exponential function.
Okay, now we're done with the first part.
We're done with the first part.
Okay, let's check which is, are they still fine? Is there anything that they want clarification on?
Chat, any clarification?
We can dance a little bit for 2 minutes now. Now let me stretch my body.
Welcome to the daily dose of mathematics. Grade 10 functions are on the board today. 4 shapes, 4 rules, we don't guess, we play. Straight line, parabola, exponential.
Let's lock in the visual.
Straight line dropping, YMX, so keep it direct. Parabola curving, yeah, X to Q, turning on the axis, perfect.
Okay.
Hyperbola splitting, approaching the lines, but they never connect. X is 0 and Y is O, those are some toast demand respect.
Respect.
Exponential rising, starting at the base. Check the Q value, it shifts the whole space.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, reads the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Now look at the graph, they're hiding the equation.
Bamba.
Don't panic, my learner, just find a coordinate station.
Show.
Take a clear point, grab the X, Y, substitute it in, let the algebra fly. Solve for the A, or solve for the Q. Finding the missing letter is all you gotta do. Plug it back in, make the formula true.
Straight Leo.
Look
I'm
at the
understanding
curve,
everything.
where
here
does
so
it
far.
turn? Look at the shift, what did we learn?
Say something.
If it cuts the axis, let X be a 0. If it cuts the X-axis, let's be the hero.
So if he uses an image,
Eh?
why you call it?
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to
So should we go to the exponential, or can you just check on that one? Should we go to exponential, or should we just stick to this one for today?
Yeah, it's a question monthly. I think that one you heard it. Did he? Yeah, he heard it. Or should I repeat it? Should we go to the next one, or should we stick to the hyperbolic today?
It won't confuse you if we do exponential and hyperbolic at the same time.
What's the question?
Church, this is also a question for you. We can dance tonight. We do like dancing. That's what we do. Whole day we're dancing.
Says let's go to next.
To the next one.
Yep.
Okay, we're going to the next question. What does the question say?
Question says show that Q is equal to -4. Oh, let me start by reading the statement. I'm already flowing. Since the diagram below
It wants to kill me, guys. Okay. So,
the diagram below represents the graph of an exponential function
okay.
defined by g of x is equal
Okay, g of x, yeah,
it's equal to 2 to the power x plus q
2 to the power of x
plus q.
plus q. All right, plus q.
Yep.
Is what?
G of x is equal to 2 to the power x plus q.
Is it the plus q? Is it on the exponent or is it just plus q?
Plus q.
The plus q is, we have 2 to the power of x, then plus 2.
Yeah,
all
then
right.
plus q.
Yeah, the way you are saying it, like you are supposed to say 2 to the power of x and then plus.
Oh, and then, okay, if it was the exponent was like 2 to the power x on the exponent plus q.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
I apologize.
Apologize accepted. Apologies. Then apologize. There's no more stuff pronunciation.
Okay, let's go to. We got the definition of the function. It's defined as g of x
Is equivalent to 2 to the power x
is
plus
2
q.
to the power of x plus q. Remember, we spoke about this q, right? What is this q? We spoke about it. Okay?
And it says the graph passes through the point 0 is to minus 3.
Okay, so it passes through a point called
0 is to minus 3.
0, which goes with minus 3. Now, is this an x-intercept or y-intercept? What do you think?
Y
What kind of-
intercept.
huh?
Y intercept.
Y-intercept. No? Why do you say it's a y-intercept?
Because x is 0.
X is 0. No? Keeping, no? Even if they didn't tell us, we should know that. Okay. What else?
Then we're given a graph.
Okay. The graph looks beautiful. No?
Yeah.
It passes through 0 and 3.
Yeah, it passes through 0 and but in 0 and minus 3.
Oh, it's 0 and minus 3. Okay. Okay, we can go to our questions then. We'll read.
So now question says you should show that
Right, this one is similar to the question that you have on your test, like the test that we send you. No? You can attempt it after we do this one. I've used exactly the same approach.
and I'm stretching my fingers.
Okay.
Getting ready for this one.
Yeah. So they say what? Question 1.
They say you should show that q is equivalent to minus 4.
Show that Q. Okay. How do you show things in mathematics, Ken?
By using what you're given.
Yeah.
By proving.
Yeah, we need to prove. No?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we going to use to prove Tina here?
The equation and what we are given. By which we are given a point and an equation.
We're given a point and then what in
An
an
equation.
equation. So yeah, guys, if they say show, they mean which just do some little calculation, just some small calculation.
Just summarize the
Yeah.
calculation.
So we have a point, yeah, which is 0 is to 3. No?
Yep.
Also have the equation, which is g of x. We can write it as y. Yabo.
Yeah.
G of x is y.
Y
So y
is
is
equivalent to
2
to the power x
to the power of x
plus q.
plus q. Okay. Now from here into, we can then say on this point, what is y? We put y there. It says minus 3. No?
Yeah, y is minus 3.
Okay, so we put minus 3 is equivalent to
2
2. What is
x is 0.
x0 plus q?
Q.
Okay. We're almost there. There's something interesting here. 2 to the power of 0.
Yep.
Do you have a calculator there?
Yeah, I have a calculator.
Do you want to show them? Or you want to tell them?
I can tell them.
You want to tell them?
Yeah.
Don't spoil the fun. Let's show them.
Let's show them.
So,
We're not spoiling the fun. So let's go to our calculator, guys.
any number to the power of 0.
Yeah.
What does chat say about this? What do they know about that?
I just not saying anything. I remember this thing. It's something that you can use in mind, you know, by which there's this type of solve for x, about exponents and those wara things, by which they can say 2 to the power x is equivalent to 1.
Yeah. You're correct. We are on point.
That's something that you can use, take into consideration. So that on this one, we're gonna say 2 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1.
Anything to the power of 0 is going to be what? To be 1. So we have minus 3. No? It's equivalent to 1 plus q.
Minus 3 is equivalent to 1 plus q. Transpose the 1 to the other side. We have minus 3 minus 1 is equivalent to q.
There,
Q is equivalent to minus 4.
which you just showed us. No?
Yep.
Yeah, so you can say therefore.
We
showed you. We
Okay.
showed you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, next, what do we have?
Okay, let's go to the question. I was still writing the feeling of therefore.
Okay.
Therefore, the 3 dots.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to our next question.
Yeah.
Next question states already we shall calculate the coordinates of x-intercept of g.
Again, keyword x-intercept. Yes, P in that this thing.
Yeah.
It's something that you should know for all the functions that you're going to be doing. X-intercept, x-intercept. x-intercept. What do we say about the x-intercept?
Y is equal to 0.
So we're going to start there. This is number 2 now. Is it 2?
1.1,
2.1?
1.1, 1.2.1, 1.2.2, I mean.
1.2.2.
0.2, yeah.
Okay. So we start with the equation now. Say y is equal to 2 to the power of x minus 4. Now, I'm sure now we know what is this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we start to say x int
X int
y equals
y equals to 0.
y equals to 0. Speaking like a politician, y equals to
0.
0. And then we can highlight where you see your 0, honorable member.
Do I need the Cartesian plane thing or thing? I can go to the Cartesian plane thing or thing.
Cartesian plane. No, you don't need the Cartesian plane. I'm just saying, just highlight there. Again, we have the equation that says y is equal to 2 to the power of x plus or minus 4. So I'm just saying, just show them what here. This is where we're going to put this 0.
Put the 0
either
on
put
y.
the 0 on x or we can put the 0 on y.
Yeah, I'm going to put it on y.
Yeah.
Y is highlighted.
Yeah,
So
y is
then
highlighted.
I have 0 is equal to
0 is equal to
2 to the power x
2 to the power of x
minus 4.
minus 4.
Then I'll transpose 4 to the other side.
Okay?
After that, we'll have 4 is equal to 2
Yeah.
to the power x. The same thing that I was talking about right now. Same like
Yeah, no, not necessary, because this one, I'm sure, it's not like you have 1. When the one that you're talking about, you are correct. Is that one of 2 to the power of x is
Yeah,
equal
it's like,
to 1?
it was like a quotient. Be aware.
So we have 4. I'm going to show you a skill here, guys, to say how to change something to a prime factor.
Yeah.
Do you know how to do this?
Yeah, I know how to do it.
You remember how to do it?
Yeah, I didn't forget that one. It was a skill. It was a skill that I never forget. I love using a calculator though.
Okay. You're not using a calculator?
I'm using a calculator.
Or you want to show them the skill?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go to the scale, you guys. So then you're gonna say
2
2.
equals
No, not 2. It's 4.
Oh, it's
4
4.
equaling to shift. It's shift.
And
Then
then
it's these dotted lines. Then it's gonna change it into a prime
it's
factor.
fact, yeah.
Yeah. Shift fact. Then it's 2 to the power 2.
Don't worry, guys, if your calculator doesn't have these superpowers, you need to remember from lower grades how were you dividing with prime numbers, prime factors. They will ask you to get prime factors. In grade 8 we do that, grade 9 we do that.
Okay.
But I would advise you to get a calculator that has these superpowers. Just check if your calculator has a fact. So you have 2 to the power of 2, which is equal to 2 to the power of x.
2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power x, by which this one.
To divide both sides by 2, which is not correct. We can't divide, because the other one is to the power of 2, the other one is to the power of x. Even if you divide them, they're not divisible. They're not like terms. Like they can't be divided. The law of division and multiplication says you can multiply variables with the same exponent or divide variables with the same exponent. So if they don't have the same exponent, we have a problem.
Yeah.
So we're going to use laws of exponents. It's like, what is this one?
What do
We're
you
concluding.
Yeah.
No, we're not concluding, but we're saying the fact that the bases are equal.
Yeah.
We are
Dropping the exponent. Yeah, dropping the exponent.
Yeah, but there's a way that we use the it's deductive reasoning. Yeah, it's deductive reasoning.
I didn't know that reason. I didn't know that reason.
You didn't?
I didn't know it.
Deductive reasoning.
Yeah.
No, deductive function is like based on this. If it's like I say, let's say there's A, and then there's B, and then there's Khotso C, and then we say Khotso can beat E, and then we say Amu, and no, let's say Khotso can beat
Yeah.
Khotso can, I started with A and B.
Yeah.
A is equal to B.
Yeah.
If I can say to A is equal to B, and then I say B is equal to C. Well, now you can make a deduction from here. It's deductive reasoning. And then you can say, I say A is equal to B. And I say B is equal to C. There's something that I didn't tell you here, which is also true.
Yeah.
What is that?
B is equivalent to, back in B is equal.
A,
Oh, A is equivalent to C.
Yeah, A is equivalent to what?
To C.
Yeah, it's deductive reasoning, this one. Based on the fact that both of them are equivalent to what?
That one is CT then. I remember that one.
Yeah.
So on this one, we're going to have the power of the same base dropping the exponent,
Yeah.
by which we can say the feeling of therefore
X.
is equivalent to 2.
Yeah. But, mistake. We don't stop here. We're looking for coordinates. Let's write it in a coordinate form.
We have 2
2
is to 0.
is to 0. Sharp. When X is 2, our Y is what is?
Is 0.
It's 0. Sure. Domain, range.
1.2.3 says write down the range of G.
Write down the range of G. Yeah, this thing, because I can't remember, I said, I said to Lwandle, if they don't know what to write, yeah, but if they're panicking, they don't know what to write. They can say Y is an element. With exponent, it doesn't work. It works with all the other functions except this one. This one, it doesn't work. On this one, you need to go and check the function.
Yeah.
We can do it there. Okay, just go to the function there.
Okay, let's go to our function.
Yeah.
The diagram at the top thing, them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so on our
Go on the diagram. If you look at the diagram, it just after -4, do you see any graph?
after what? After -3?
After, yeah, the minus, yeah. It's -3 or -4?
-3 or -4?
After the vertical line, the just vertical line.
Yeah, I see nothing. It
There's
stops.
nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it means there's no possible Y values after that. So we can't use the fact that Y is an element of all real numbers because there's no graph after Y is equal to -4.
Okay.
I think there's a better way to explain this. I will try to look for it when we meet tomorrow. So now what we're going to say to them is that for the greater than the asymptote, whatever the asymptote is.
Okay, Y is greater than asymptote.
Yeah,
which
it
is
cannot touch the asymptote. So it cannot be greater or equals to, so it's just going to be greater than the asymptote.
Okay.
What is our asymptote?
Our asymptote is -4.
It's -4. So Y is going to be greater than -4. Now, we can't say it this way, yeah, but we can't say Y is going to be an element of all real numbers. And then we say, but Y cannot be equal to -4. Why doesn't work this way? Because we say Y can be everything, yeah, before -4 and after -4. But after -4, we don't have any graph. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can say Y is an element of all real numbers. But Y should be greater than -4. No, we don't do that. So Y should be greater than -4.
Y is greater than -4.
Yeah, Y should be greater than -4. Hey, that one can be confusing. Just ask them.
Chat, anything? And I'm asking myself, will I be able to put on our senior mark while the mouse is not?
Can you put the mouse, the one at the side there? We're not using it.
We have a notepad, and on the other side, the mouse doesn't work.
It works. Just wants you to be shankle. Oh, Mara, you can use the mouse. I'm sure once we finish using the notepad, you can use that mouse. Then just try to get everything.
Yeah. So what's our next question? We have it.
We're asking chat, did they understand the range thing here?
Chat, anything with the range thing? Oh, that was the last question. It says total is 10 marks.
Let's check how did it do, guys.
I know I got 100 on this one. 100. It's 100 this one. Highly confident of my 100.
Welcome to the daily dose of
I
mathematics.
wish you could have gotten some
Grade 10 functions are on the board today. 4 shapes, 4 rules. We don't get dropping YMX, so keep it direct. Parabola curving, yeah, X to Q. Turning on the axis, perfect. Hyperbola splitting, approaching the lines, but they never connect. X is 0 and Y is O, those asymptotes demand respect. Exponential rising, starting at the base. Check the Q value, it shifts the whole space.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear this across the floor. Range is the output, looking up for more. Keep the difference clear when the exam warm.
Now look at the graph, they're hiding the equation. Don't panic, my learner, just find a coordinate station. Take a clear point, grab the X, Y, substitute it in, let the algebra fly. Solve for the A or solve for the Q. Finding the missing letter is all you gotta do. Plug it back in, make the formula true. Look at the curve, where does it turn? Look at the shift, what did we learn? If it cuts the axis, let X be a 0. If it cuts the X-axis, let's be the hero.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, reads the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Straight line, parabola, hyperbola, exponential, left to right, bottom to top, lock it in sharp.
Are you winning the war?
Welcome to the daily dose of mathematics. Grade 10 functions are on the board today. 4 shapes, 4 rules, we don't guess, we play. Straight line, parabola, exponential.
Let's lock in the visual.
Straight line dropping, YMX, so keep it direct. Parabola curving, yeah, X to Q, turning on the axis, perfect.
Okay.
Hyperbola splitting, approaching the lines, but they never connect.
Hey, bo.
X is 0 and Y is O, those are some toast to man, respect.
Respect.
Exponential rising, starting at the base. Check the Q value, it shifts the whole space.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, reads the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Now look at the graph, they're hiding the equation.
Bamba.
Don't panic, my learner, just find a coordinate station. Take a clear point, grab the X, Y, substitute it in, let the algebra fly. Solve for the A or solve for the Q. Finding the missing letter is all you gotta do. Plug it back in, make the formula true. Look at the curve, where does it turn? Look at the shift, what did we learn? If it cuts the axis, let X be a 0. If it cuts the X-axis, let's be the hero.
What's the domain? What's the range? Let's clear the site. Domain is the X, walking left to the right. Left to the right. Range is the Y, reads the input. Scanning across the floor. Range is the output. Looking up for more. Keep the difference clear. Win the exam war.
Straight line, parabola, hyperbola, exponential, left to right, bottom to top, lock it in sharp.
Still struggling.
Yeah, still struggling.
What's happening is the mouse. You didn't get the old mouse.
They're a little bit slow connected.
Huh? Or should we just call it a day? We'll submit another day.
Trying to submit, I'm failing. I'm trying to submit, I'm failing. I don't know what's up.
Okay, guys, we'll call it a day today. We'll continue tomorrow, same time, same place. No? He too is struggling with the technology today. It's busy killing him since morning, guys. It doesn't start now.
Welcome to the daily dose of mathematics.